I'm hiking on the trail. There's a mountain lion right there. He's probably like 50 feet away from me. Standing right at me. I barely saw him. Oh shit. No! Hey! 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 Back up! Hey! 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 Never seen a mountain lion out in the wild before. Oh man. There he is. He's checking me out. Good kitty. Good kitty. Whew! Hey, bud. Oh. Jiminy. Oh man. Okay, dude. Okay. Oh man. Whew. Oh geez. Okay, not gonna lie, that scared me because he was right on that trail and he was crouched down. I saw this little furry thing right there, and he looked like he was in like stalk mode. And then when he got up and like yawned, because he's not afraid of me, he couldn't care less. I smell bad. Maybe they like it. They're cats. They're kind of jerks. Woo! That was awesome.
Ano?
Thôi mày lộn thôi. Nine. 10. Sexy.
Sexy.
No, no, mình tắt thôi nó, mình tắt thôi nó. Bây giờ tắt thôi nó. Bây giờ tắt thôi nó. Oh.
我係魚生嚟碼頭啊，周圍逛下。These guys are killing me.
Yeah. I thought that was
Yeah.
predominant. Oh.
係啊，頭先我晏晝同我電話嚟。佢知我冇開工啊，係咪？頭先問我。邊頭先？
He's like, I'm bigger than you.
Oh my god.
No, no, no.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, right.
Whoa.
Are you alright?
不要紧，不要紧，不要紧，不要怕，不要怕。Thank you.
Are you alright? You're not injured? You're good? Okay.
Thank you.
Wants to go in that direction. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Watch out for your smell. Not start up. Start up, not fall. Yeah, he's using his weight to good effect. To good effect. Watch out if he never to hit it.
See how well behaved they were.
Catch those two making out.
Okay, Dad, he's coming to the car. You're gonna have to. Yikes. Did you video that? Yeah, but it's not a very good one. Yikes. Holy cow, Cindy. Oh my gosh. I know. You're supposed to lock the door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that. Is it locked? Yes. Are you sure? I hope so. Oh my gosh. Did you lock them, Dad?
I did.
That was good.
Boy, will you have a story to tell.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Dad, they can get to my door.
Good morning. Sit down. You're getting a bit big. Yeah, I know.
What the heck? Yeah, he's got him flipped over.
Yeah.
I should go for the water, right?
You want to come back and play this hole?
No, we go ahead and tee off.
Are you serious? Okay, we'll get rid of these guys then. Okay. No, they're not. They're stinking. Yeah, they're.
Golly.
You got the other one bit, Brian?
Yeah, he's biting his arm.
Hey, why don't we just get some
The ladies' tee? I don't think so.
No,
I want to picture me teeing off with him right there.
Yeah, right.
Got him good. Don't get too close, they're pretty fast.
They're very fast, and you're also getting the blood up. So
They're fighting for territory rights now.
golly. Are you videoing?
I'm videoing this thing too, yeah. But it's
Man, he's got him by the neck.
why would that, didn't the little one attack the big one? Or was it the other way around? The big one attacked the little one?
He got something to prove. Golly.
Oh yeah, he is. Well, he's got him by the head.
Ow!
There's a gator too.
Where?
Right over there.
Golly.
Okay, keep going to the right, to the right, to the right.
Holy cow, look at that.
I'd be careful because when he lets go of that tail, oh, he's gonna drown him now. He's gonna drag him in there and drown him now.
You think he's out?
No, but that's what he's gonna try to do. Watch.
Yeah, he's gonna try to get him in the water
He's gonna get him in the water.
so he can swim.
Whoa, whoa. I watched it. That little one's coming
Brian,
at
they're
you.
pretty quick, Brian.
Yeah, they can.
He can barely stand up.
No, I wouldn't say that. He's hurt, but
Yeah, that could be getting pissed off.
yeah.
Bull gators are fighting for the women.
Golly.
The one did.
Where's the little one?
That was the little one that just jumped in there.
They're gonna continue this fight.
They're both hurt.
Yeah, but they're gonna continue this fight. He's coming back at him.
Now he's looking at us.
Yeah, he's looking right at us.
He's looking at
But
you.
he's got to go through his buddy to get to me.
Yeah, I think they're gonna go at it again.
That's what I'm saying. They're gonna go at it again. He's gonna attack him right here. That little one ain't that smart.
Better off just taking off.
That's what I'm saying. He had a chance to get out of there.
They,
But it's not about that in the wild, man. It's about territory.
Yeah, it's just
You know, they're in a
they
pissing
fight
match.
to the death.
They're in,
look
they're in a
at
pissing match about the lake here and the girls.
tooth snapped right off.
All right, well, let's tee off while we can.
Yeah, let's go. Go ahead, John.
Golly. Man, that thing is huge. You boys play nice now. Made me come back over here again.